Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action in DXY also in order to predict the direction of the price action for the coming week. I'm in 4 hours time frame of dollar index, and when we look at the price action after crossing this support line or the trend line of the bearish channel pattern, we have noticed a price action to fall further and take support on this bearish channel pattern support line. And when we analyze the current trend of the price action after taking support on this trend line, it has stopped trending on the bearish side. So currently this level of 106 is acting as a strong support for the current price action. After this, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, but again this level of 107 is acting as a strong resistance, where we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this level in the past. So the current price action in DXY in 4 hours time frame is on a sideways price action, where it has gone on a bullish side retracement, and if the price action manages to break this resistance level of 107, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. Again, we have a very strong resistance zone over here, which is between 108 to 107, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in dollar index, because it will be breaking this bearish channel pattern. And as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in dollar index. Let us look at the price action in gold USD currency pairs. I'm in daily time frame of gold USD currency pair, and we know from the past price action that previously the price action was trading within this resistance line on a bearish trend. After taking the support around the support level of 1617, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. But again, here the point to be noted is actually it has not broken the previous high, which is around 1800. So still this resistance level of 1800 is actually acting as a very strong resistance, and as long as this resistance level is not broken, we can still consider the current trend to be on a bearish trend. So present bullish side bounce back, it's only a retracement, it's not a trend reversal on the bullish side. So during the bullish side retracement also, we have noticed a price action to stop at this level, again to find resistance at this level, and again found resistance at this level. So when the price action tries to bounce back on the bearish side, these levels are going to be acting as a very strong support level for the future price action. So from the past price action, we have the information that this area between 1720 to 1700 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone when the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect it to continue further on the bearish side retracement, and next level of support is going to be around 1680 to 1665. This is also a very strong support zone, because we have noticed a price action to form a double bottom pattern, and this level had acted as a neck level in the past. So it has to break this neck level also if you want to fall further on the bearish side retracement. And this area between 1800 to 1785 or 86 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement. So the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish trend. Next level of support is going to be around 1721, and only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1760, we can expect it to retest the resistance level of 1786 and 1800. And only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect a bullish side retracement to start in daily time frame. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1721, next level of support is going to be around 1700, 1680, 1665. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame also, it has bounced back from the resistance level of 1786 and it is on a bearish side retracement. And next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1721. And when we look at the chart pattern, it is forming a head and shoulder pattern. So if the retracement continues, we can expect it to retrace up to the support level of 1721, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to retrace further and take support on the support level of 1700. So in 4 hours time frame, we are noticing the price action to form a head and shoulder pattern. So it is a sign of the continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. And if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, wait for the price action to break this support level of 1747, which is the previous low. Then it is a confirmation on the continuation of the bearish side trend in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. So when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, again I am going to draw a trend line or a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame. And based on this resistance line, we can clearly notice that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend and it has taken support on the support level of 1747. And if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this previous support level of 1747 in order to enter into the bearish side trade. And from the 4 hours time frame, we know that the current price action is trying to complete the head and shoulder pattern. So there is more chances that bearish trend will continue. But if the price action breaks this resistance line and this resistance level of 1760, we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So wait for the price action to give a proper breakout before entering on the bearish side trade or on the bullish side trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1747, and if this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1738, 1726, 1721 and 1708. And on the bottom, from the higher time frame, we have the support level of 1700. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1756, next level of resistance is going to be around 1760, 1769 and 1786. And this area between 1786 to 1800 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the future price action. And current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is very clear that from the hourly time frame also, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. And we have the higher time frame support level of 1746, where we have noticed a price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line or trend line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. And I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this previous low of 1747 in order to freshly enter into the bearish side trade. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, wait for the price action to break this higher time frame resistance level of 1760 if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side retracement. And previously we have noticed a price action to consolidate and to take resistance on this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So we can expect a similar price action to repeat as long as it is trading below this resistance lines. Once it breaks this resistance line, we can expect the directional momentum on the bullish side, or once it breaks the support line, we can expect the directional momentum on the bearish side. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1751 and support level of 1747. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1747, next level of support is going to be around 1742, 1735, 1727, 1721 and 1716. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1751, next level of resistance is going to be around 1755, 1759 and 1767. So the conclusion is, if the market opens above this trend line or resistance line on Monday, you can enter into the bullish side retracement. And if the market opens below this support level of 1747, you can enter into the bearish side trade. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.